Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Yes, in today's video we're going to break down the YouTube monetization policy. Yes, what it is and how it works and what you need to do to qualify for monetization. If you are a small creator dreaming to earn on YouTube, whoa, yes, this guide is for you. Before we dive in, you make sure to subscribe and hit on the notification bell. Yes, so that you don't miss on the powerful YouTube growth tips. First of all, what is YouTube monetization? Here is the best answer. YouTube monetization is the process of turning your content into revenue. On YouTube, this mostly comes from the ad. By the way, do you know that it can also come from membership, super chat, and also from YouTube premium revenue? But here is the important part. YouTube has got the strict monetization policy and you have to meet certain requirements before you start earning. Yes, number two, we are going to talk about the eligibility requirements. Do you know that for you to qualify for the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, you need to meet some milestone? That is a question mark for you. Okay, here it is. You need to have 1,000 subscribers, and then you need to have 4,000 public watch hour. And it has to be within the 12th month or the last 12 months. Or if you're a short creator, you need to have a valid 10 million views in the last 90 days. You need to follow all the YouTube policy and guidelines. Number four, have step verification on your account, which is enabled. Number five, you make sure you have no community guideline strike. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply directly from YouTube Studio without no problem under the monetization tab. Okay, now let's move to part three, that is monetization policy itself. Now this is the main monetization policy you must follow. You need to pay attention. It's very important. Number one, add friendly content, or what you have to do is upload friendly videos. Avoid excessive sharing and violence content, harmful content, anything against advertisers' guidelines. Number two, original content only. This one here, get very well. Reused content or duplicated content won't be monetized when you don't add value on it or when you don't transform it. So be very careful using duplicated content or reused content. Number three, copyright. Be careful of copyright. You cannot monetize content that you don't own unless you've got a permission from the original owner. Music, clip, footage. When you don't own it, when it's not originally yours, you cannot monetize it. So be careful using copyrighted products. If it's not yours, let it not be yours unless you get permission. But I don't advise you to use copyright or any other things that does not belong to you. Number four, community guidelines. Stay away from hate speech, harassment, and violence commentaries, and then harmful challenges. So these are the things that are against community guidelines, and it's going to harm your channel. So please be away from it. Be away from it. Number five. Consistency is what matters. Be constant. Upload constantly. The more active you are, the better chance you got on your channel to grow and get money. That is monetization. To grow and have the chance of monetizing your channel. Let's first get to move to part number four. That is types of monetization. Yes, once you are accepted for the YouTube Partner Program or YPP. These are the ways you are going to earn on your monetization tab. 1. Through ad. YouTube places ads on your video. Channel membership. Members can pay for your channel for monthly pack. So you need to be very, very serious about it. It is very nice. Number 3, you can earn like this. You can earn through super chat and super stickers. That is number 3. You can add through those. Do you know that when you go live streaming, your viewers, because of what you do for them good, they can be able to finance you. They can give you a gift. So that is all about super chat and super stickers. So always keep going live. That is when you can be given some gift stickers, and those stickers, they are money. Number 4, YouTube Premium revenue. When YouTube Premium views your video, you earn a share. Match self. That is number 5. Match self. Yes, match self. If eligible, you can showcase your product and sell your product out. Things like your t-shirt brands and many other things. Yes. Part 5. Tips to monetize you faster. Here are my 5 tips to get monetized very fast. Focus on one niche so that YouTube will know to whom it should recommend your videos to. It's very important. Do not change your niches from here to the other one, from the other one. It will disorganize the algorithm. So be on under one niche. And 2, you should post constantly. Even short videos count toward monetization. The longer videos count toward monetization. So you need to post constantly. Do not give time. Do not let your people get tired or keep waiting. Keep giving them what they want. So I am advising you to post constantly. That is what you really have to do. Number 3, optimize with SEO. Your title, your descriptions, and your tags. These are what can bring viewers to your channel, to your video, so that you generate a lot of watch hour, views, and you make a lot of money. And these are the things that puts up your video to the search tab. In case when they ask a question on the search tab, then you have that high chance to for your video to come actually on the list of the search. So you make sure you follow what I am trying to give you very, very well. Yes, another one is this. You make sure you design very catchy thumbnails to boost your click rate through. So you make sure you have very good art, and it should be very catchy so that your click-through rate will be high. No one will just swipe your video, but the curiosity of thumbnail will keep that person to be there and click on it. Build your community. Ask questions. Interact. You should reply to the comments. And you should also try to ask for people to subscribe to your channel. Click on the notification bell. Share the video. These are the things that makes you build your community, because YouTube needs you to communicate. This is what gives YouTube to understand these are not robotic kind of viewers. These are the things that you need to do. Yes. And that is my breakdown to you about YouTube monetization policy. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe, like, share, and hit on the notification bell. And lastly, I have a question for you. How close are you to monetization? You're just starting YouTube, halfway to monetization, or almost to monetization, or almost to apply? Please don't fear. Drop your comments on the comment section there. I love you so much.